Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure Snapchat and permissions are ready, then capture your video. First, update the app and enable camera and microphone so uploads aren't blocked. Next, record in vertical 9:16 format between 3 and 60 seconds. Use stable framing and clear audio so the algorithm can evaluate quality. Once done, trim rough takes in Snapchat's camera view or save to your camera roll to edit externally. Make sure your account is logged in and Spotlight submissions are switched on in settings before proceeding. Now focus on making the clip discoverable and engaging. Open your clip in Snapchat or an editor to trim, fix color, stabilize motion, and add readable captions so viewers watch without sound. Then pick a trending or permitted sound to boost reach and write concise keywords and tags that describe the content. Choose a clear thumbnail that shows the hook in the first second. Make sure file format and size meet Snapchat limits. Compress lightly to keep quality while avoiding upload errors. You're ready to submit. Open the video, choose Submit to Spotlight, write a short caption that highlights the hook, select audience settings, and confirm. After submission, monitor performance metrics and viewer feedback so you can refine future posts. Make small changes like alternate captions or sounds to test what performs best. If your video doesn't appear or upload fails, check your internet, update Snapchat, and confirm the content follows Spotlight rules. Then retry after addressing the specific error to avoid repeated rejections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.